the vegetable juice, I have some kale, some beetroot, carrots, cucumber and tomatoes. The washed beetroot into small pieces to go through the electric juicer. Wash the carrots and cut into smaller pieces. To go, the vegetables are prepared. The tomatoes washed, sliced, the cucumbers, the carrots and the beetroot and my kale. So I'm going to pass them through the electric juicer. Some water to wash down the vegetables from the juicer. Pour the vegetable juice into a jug. For flavor, add half lemon squeezed in. Enjoy.